guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, January 24th, and I've decided just about 10 minutes ago that I want to make over a small space in my house. It's a small area before my home office, which I'm also renovating. You've probably seen sneak peeks of it because I've already been using it, but believe me, there's still so much to come. So anyway, going back, this makeover is an impulse makeover. The only reason why I thought about doing this was because I enjoyed painting so much on our previous makeover, the Dainty Dream. So much so that I felt the need and desire to paint another wall. So here we are. We're really doing this. We're gonna do this. I don't really know what to call this area, so let's just say it's an entryway. An entryway to my home office. Welcome to an impulse makeover. What do we call this? The whimsical wall. Roll video in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it is currently 4 p.m. the same day. I'm thinking of what I want to do for this space. We already have a mirror, vintage, traditional feels, and I'm thinking of adding a console as a place or a surface where I can put stuff or mail or, the things I usually grab when I head out for work. And of course, the whole purpose of this makeover, we're going to paint a pattern on the wall. For our color scheme, I'm thinking blue, yellow, maybe peach, because my home office is in this pastel pink color, and I think that with those three colors, it will blend well together. It will really complement each other. So that's a color scheme I'm thinking of. I hope we can pull this off. Tomorrow we're heading out. Tomorrow we're heading out to buy paint stuff, and the console. Hopefully we'll get to buy everything, so on Tuesday we can begin with the makeover process. Yeah. Get this. I was supposed to get that one, but I don't want to get this. It's just so much more practical with the drawer and everything. Ugh. Do I do? This is so cute. I love this so much. Hey guys, today we are painting our wall. Here we have the stuff. Here we have the paint, the big roller, the baby roller, sandpaper, this thing, paint brushes, and here is the wall we're gonna paint. So I'm choosing between these two colors. One is more yellow, one is on the more peachy side. So I'm gonna try it out on the wall to see which one looks better. I don't know which one to choose. Peachy, yellowy, peachy, yellowy. Which one? Which one? Your girl can't decide. Yellow. Peach. Yellow? Let's go with peach. No, let's go with yellow. Feels more, I don't even know, it's happy. It's a happy color. We're going with yellow. How professional we have this paint thingy. Let's do this. I think I'm gonna fail this. Oh no. Okay. She's beautiful. We're going with yellow. We're going with yellow. So that happened. We are definitely going with yellow. Okay. Art. This was supposed to be a cute montage of me painting. How cute. Like it never happened. Yay! It's clean. More careful this time. Starting a bit later today because I had stuff to do this morning. It's currently 2:30 p.m. and you're probably wondering why I'm holding this. So today we are going to be painting the pattern on the wall, and this print is something that inspired the pattern that I want to do. The face. Anyway, so yeah, this is going to be the inspo for our pattern. So yeah. After that, I'm just gonna paint the wall. We are using this to draw the pattern. Yep. This is where a mirror is gonna be. So I'm not sure if I need to paint faces on this part, but I'll probably do just in case we decide to change up the mirror or something. Okay, let's do this. I don't know how to do this. We are now on day 2 and I just really had to show you. We are very clumsy, even on day 2. I tripped. But yeah, that's where we're at and I want to show you guys. Woo, we're getting there. Almost there. Time check, it is currently 1:00 a.m. I just finished the wall. I don't know if I still have the energy to assemble this. So maybe tomorrow. Okay, bye. We're doing it tonight. Okay. Guys. My brain can't function. Okay. Okay. This.
There in the middle, we have the vintage mirror. Its curves and sharp corners nods well to the strokes seen on the patterned wall. Although they are of different styles, they complement each other really well. Underneath it is a white console table. Its simplicity is the perfect neutralizer. Its plain form and shape allows both the mirror and the wall to stand out. On top of it, we placed contrasting jars, books and magazines, and a hint of greenery. Panning to the other side, we see the door going to the home office. We painted this wall in a toned-down blue to contrast yet still complement the whimsical yellow wall. We stationed a shoe cabinet here that doubles as extra storage, and then changed the knobs to gold to tie in all the yellows. On top, we styled it with frames, books, and a pot of greens. Fun, funky, and whimsical, the wall with the many faces was the reason for this entire makeover, representing all in one the emotions that we feel, the faces we put up, and the people that we meet, simplified in a stroke of white paint. Its subtle contrast from the color yellow makes this combination work. I love how warm, happy, and inviting it feels.
We are done. Done, 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 done. This week has probably been the most tiring week of my life. I'm so happy I get to do this. I'm so happy I get to share this with you guys. Even the messy parts, especially the messy parts. Now I enjoy the messy parts. During, not so much. But yeah, I'm really happy I get to share it with you guys. Comment down below what your favorite part was. I would definitely love to know. For our next video, I will definitely try to finish my home office so I can finally show you guys for our next video. Probably. Hopefully. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye you guys. Lots of love.
He's so cute.